Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to do hard reset on Android phone. Here's how to hard reset, also known as factory reset, using hardware buttons on your Android. First, power off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap power off. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the power plus volume up buttons or power plus volume down, depending on the brand, simultaneously until you see the logo. Wait for recovery screen. When the Android recovery menu appears, release the buttons. Navigate using volume buttons. Use the volume down button to move to wipe data factory reset. Select the option. Press the power button to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm the reset. Use the volume keys to highlight, then choose Factory Data Reset, and hit the power button again. Wait for the process to complete. The phone will start erasing all data and settings. This may take a minute. Select Reboot System Now. After reset is complete, highlight Reboot System Now and press Power. Set up your device. Once your phone restarts, follow the on-screen steps to set it up like new. Take note, a hard reset will erase all data on your phone. Make sure to back up important files before doing this. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.